Hello guys, we are again back with our Gyan portal, and today we discuss again with some pattern problems, and in this video we discuss about three different pattern problems and with a different concept. So guys, please watch this video till end and subscribe our channel. So let's go guys. So the first video, the first question, as you see, it's like this कि 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1, मतलब it's a right angle pyramid but in a binary digit forms कि like we have to print it 0 and 1 0 and 1. So first of all we have to analyze कि it's a simple right triangle which we already printed in some previous videos, but there is some new concept of little bit change which is about how we make a binary digits. Like as you see, on first it's start with 1, then it start with 0, then it start with 1, then it start with 0, then it start with 1, then it starts with 0. If I give a basic, if I give it a basic digit, then it's 2, then it's 3, then it's 4, then it's 5. So as you see, when it is 0, our first start is 1, when it's 1 our start is 0, when it's 2 our start is 1, when it's 3 our start is 0. So as you see, there is a number which is odd, and at that point it's 0. Yeah, I got the logic, and I hope you also got the logic. So let's start the code part. It's a print 10. I give here void print 10 and int n, and int n basically first write how we write our right angle. Okay, first of all our right angle, this is our basic right angle, and after that right angle just do a little formality. What is that? Key we take a int start and it's equals to 1, and if our row is equals to 0, मतलब if it is even, then start take it as 1, else take it as 0, and here we just only see out start and start, and we say 1 minus start, and then see out and n. And now I printed it for 5. Wait a second. Yes, 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. So it's a correct logic which we implemented. So I hope you also understand it. Now let's come with us with the next question. So our next question is like this: कि we have a crown shape pattern in numericals form. I'm missing here like this. Yeah, so it's a crown shape pattern. So as you see, this type of question we already do, but it's a inverted form. Like it's like this. So how we perform this question, for say a similar pattern, first analyze the rows, columns. So first we go with the, if I say numbers, then there is a space part and there is again a numbers part, and if I count it, so it's like if I count it, then I say 1. Here I say ki in case of 1, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there is 6, not, there is 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 10. Yes, and after this there is a 1. Similar, here we have 2, and if I say here, I say 3, 4, 5, 6, मतलब 8. मतलब every time if we say there is a less than of 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 2, 5, 6, 0, 6. So in the first case I say कि there is a basic a right angle triangle which we already printed in the previous cases. So first of all comes to the coding part. I say print 11 n, and in print 11 n I just make a void function again and print 11 int n. I say we have to do this as a outer loop, or in the outer loop, if I say for a outer loop we have I equals to I plus plus. Okay, and first numbers, then spaces, and then numbers again. So for this cases I say right angle. So I say, समझ में आ रहा है दोस्तों, like हम how we do this like this, and J. It's get printed. Similar part is like here. I say we have printed 1, then I say it's if I say like how we printed it, we printed it till the jth. So every time we printed it till our j. So we printed it till the j part. So how we do this? Like it's basically, so I have to reverse it. I have to say it's j equals to I, and j will be printed till 1, and j minus minus, and j, and here we do C out for line change. Now the part is come with spaces, and as you see spaces, in spaces what we say कि in the first line there is a 10 spaces, and at this point our n value is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and as you see for spaces it's a, so basically we say we can take int spaces equals to 2 into n minus 1. If I say 2 into n minus 1, our 2 is 6 and spaces is 10. Yes, correct, spaces is 10. And if our spaces is 10, now what I can do, I just do one thing, I take it 1 equals to space and j plus plus, and I say C out, I just do this thing, and in that thing I just say space after this I say space equals to space minus 2. So I hope it's going to be right. Just print it for 5. Little bit 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Both are printed right. What is the problem? Okay, it's outer, in the outer we declare. Now I say it's going to correct. Print it for again 6. Yes guys, so we do this problem of ground. I hope you understand this concept. Please do this concept by yourself, and I hope you do it. Our next and last pattern is basically, it's really simple. I think I not perform this pattern. It's your homework to do this pattern. It's a basic logic, because here as you do, we have performed already a right angle triangle, and here I just give you a hint. The basic hint is that here is 1, here is 2, here is 2 3, matlab every time it's incremented. You already perform similar question, but in that it always starts with 1, matlab our jth to our row number tak. But in this we have always increment a variable in every iteration. So basic looping is same, we just make a iterator. I hope you do it, and if you do this question, please comment box में लिखिए कि I have completed sir. I hope you like this video. Meet you soon.